Hello everyone, now I will quickly walk through the demo. So to save time, I have created a GitHub token. So I will hit on save. So designated PR, it will list out all the PRs. So designated PR will be the ones on which your review has been requested or you have been mentioned in someone's comment on the PR. So you will get information of all the PRs and designated PRs. In the muted PRs, you can see all the PRs which you have muted for like 1 hour or for like next update for like author's new comment or permanently. So you can see that PR have been moved to muted state, and we have also you can also see reviewed PR that which are the PRs on which you have added your review comments and all. So that will come in the review state, and you can also see all your PRs, the PRs which are raised by you. So whenever a person mentions you on a PR or uh, added your request, then you can see that PRs on designated PR. Let's let's walk. Let's see the current in the current one. So I am creating a PR and I am adding myself a reviewer, and this is another person repository. So I have mentioned myself in this PR. So if I look in that, yeah, I can see the new PR information. Apart from this, we have if I created PR from my account, then I can also get it listed in my PRs. So this is my account. I am creating a new PR. So yeah, I've created a new PR. Now you can see in that Chrome extension, my PR has been updated with the new PR. Apart from this, we have given the option of view all the PRs simultaneously. And apart from this, we have given the option to user to ignore all the PRs from particular person or all the PRs from particular repository and all. And the one more feature we need to I want to highlight is there is the option to turn notification on for new commits. If I turn this off, then any PRs which have new commits since I reviewed will not be listed here, will not get notified to us also. And apart from this, we have added features to to view the GitHub subscriptions. So this will lead to the GitHub subscriptions, and we can see our extension in new tab as well. We can update our token anytime we want. If we added a false token, then it will ask us is our token valid, and then it will show us error bad credentials. Thank you.